Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to optimize Pagefly pages for better loading speeds. First, all you need to do is head over to your Shopify website and log in. Once you've logged in, head over to your apps and click on Pagefly. From here, all you need to do is head over to your pages, you can see my ones here, and click on Edit. There's two main ways for you to increase your loading speeds when it comes to any sort of website, online store, etc. First, the best way is to compress any images. There are many inbuilt apps that you can use to compress images, as well as other third-party apps, for example, TinyPNG. Compressing these apps means that your website or your store page will not take as long to load, as it doesn't need to load as much data. Secondly, is if you have any third-party integrations that you do not need to use or do not have on your page, make sure to deactivate and uninstall them if you can from your page. This will mean that loading times will be quicker, as it doesn't need to load that third-party integration. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.